Welcome back to Core Economics. I am Sumit Kaur, and since class 11th has been started in most of the CBSE schools or will be starting in the coming few weeks, so there is a curiosity among many students that what is the syllabus of class 11th economics, what all topics will be covered. So today I will let you know the syllabus for class 11th economics and what is the weightage of different units that will be covered under the syllabus.
So students, here is a subject code for economics, that is 030, and the total weightage of this subject is 100 marks. Out of this 100 marks, part A is of 40 marks, statistics for economics, and part B, again, microeconomics is of 40 marks. Part C, which is project work, is of 20 marks. So in total, 3 parts are there: part A, part B, and part C. The weightage of part A is 40 marks, part B 40 marks, and part C 20 marks. Part A, which is statistics for economics, and basically it includes topics such as mean, median, mode, and these topics you have done in earlier classes as well. And some new topics will be there like correlation, index number, and it also includes topics such as meaning of economics, what is statistics, what are the functions of statistics, importance, and all these topics are covered in statistics. And basically it is expected that the students will be able to acquire and learn skills related to collection, organization, and presentation of quantitative as well as qualitative data. So start karte hain from unit 1, which is introduction part. This unit includes topics such as what is the meaning of economics, then scope of economics, functions, importance of statistics in economics, scope of statistics, its functions, its meanings, importance. All these topics are covered in our unit 1, that is introduction. And then we have unit 2, which is collection, organization, and presentation of data. The total weightage of these two units, unit 1 as well as unit 2, the total weightage is 13 marks. The combined weightage of unit 1 and unit 2 is 13 marks. Unit 2, that is presentation of data की जहाँ पर हम बात करें, तो presentation of data also includes topics such as bar diagrams, pie diagrams, then we have frequency diagrams, histogram, polygon, and all. Time series is also there. Then we have unit 3, that is statistical tools and interpretation, which includes topics that you have done in earlier classes also, like arithmetic mean, median, and mode. Then measures of dispersion is there, which includes absolute and relative measures of dispersion. Then we have correlation, new topic, index number, new topic for you. The weightage of this unit is 23 marks. Unit 3 is of 27 marks. It's not 23. It is 27 marks. So the weightage of this unit is 27. And the total weightage of statistics, part A, is 40 marks, out of which unit 1 and unit 2, they are of 13 marks. Unit 3 is of 27 marks. Then come to the second part, that is part B, which is introductory microeconomics. Microeconomics is a new subject for all of you, and it is basically related to the individual units of the economy, such as consumers, producers, their behavior at micro level. Unit 4, introduction, which covers topics such as meaning of microeconomics, positive and normative economics. A brief introduction description is also given, that what is the difference between micro and macroeconomics. Macroeconomics you will study in class 12th, but a brief description is given about the difference between micro and macro. Then we have what is an economy. what are the central problems, what, how, and for whom to produce, the concept of production possibility curve, and opportunity cost. So introduction part is of 4 marks. Then we have unit 5, that is consumers equilibrium and demand. Very interesting topic, one of my favorite to teach and to learn also. So unit 5, consumers equilibrium and demand, which includes chapters such as utility analysis, cardinal and ordinal utility analysis, indifference curve approaches there, conditions of consumers equilibrium. This one is a big unit. Then we have demand, market demand, determinants of demand, and price elasticity of demand is also covered. So in total, 4 chapters are there, 3 to 4 chapters, depending upon whichever reference book you are using, or in case you are using NCRT, then obviously this is a whole unit in itself. So all these topics are covered in this unit, and the weightage of this particular unit is 13 marks. Then next unit, that is unit 6, producer behavior and supply. Again, a number of chapters are covered in this unit. That is your production function, short run and long run, meaning, their meaning. Then we have returns to factor. Long run production function explanation is not there, only short run production function is there. Difference में हम meaning कर रहे हैं basically short run and long run production function का. Then we have cost chapter. Short run cost is covered in class 11th. Then we have different types of short run cost like total fixed cost, total variable cost, average, marginal cost, and all. Revenue chapter is there, total revenue, average, marginal revenue, their relationship. Then we have producers equilibrium in terms of marginal revenue and marginal revenue cost approach. Then supply chapter, price elasticity of supply. So all these are different chapters. Generally, like if you go through any book, these are given as separate chapters, and all these are covered under this unit 6, that is producer behavior and supply. And as far as weightage of this particular unit is concerned, again this unit is of 13 marks, 1 3 13. Next come to unit 7, that is your forms of market and price determination under perfect competition with simple applications. So in this particular unit, forms of market and price determination, these topics will be covered like perfect competition, what is the meaning of perfect competition, and then we have some other forms of market also like monopoly, monopolistic competition, and what will be the effect of shifts in demand and supply. Demand and supply, like these chapters, we will be covering in the previous 2 units, unit 5 and unit 6, but how the shifts in demand and supply will affect the equilibrium price is covered under this particular unit. Then we have simple applications of demand and supply in terms of price ceiling and price floor. So these topics are covered under this particular unit, that is unit 7, and the weightage of this unit is 10 marks. And then part C, which is project work, it is of 20 marks. So total weightage of economics is 100, and we have like 3 parts: part A, part B, part C. Part A, statistics for economics, 40 marks, then part B, introductory microeconomics, 40 marks, and part C, project work, is of 20 marks.